Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse, a chef and vegan cooking educator at Goldhouse Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make oven roasted bell peppers. So here I have a bell pepper cut in half that I've sliced out all the seeds and all the white stuff. So I've cut it in half and cut the other one in half as well. So now I'm going to stick them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and put them on broil. So I just took the peppers out of the oven foil they were in and I let them sit for maybe 10 minutes just till they were cool. And now the skin is easy to peel off. Peppers are loaded with vitamin C, which is great for our immune system. And these are a great thing to put on salads, whip them up with hummus, put them in a veggie sandwich. They are just so sweet and so tender. And again, loaded with phytochemicals and antioxidants. So now I'm going to put them on this plate. These sweet bell peppers. And there you have it, ready for a sandwich, a salad. I'm Kate Goldhouse, and today I showed you how to make oven roasted bell peppers.